morning lang.
Good morning!
Ay, wait. 3, 2, 1.
Good morning!
Yes, sir!
Joel!
And welcome to
The JY Project. Then?
Yun lang.
Little piece by piece, I take back what's been stolen from me. Little by little, piece by piece, until
The roundabout, continue for 3 kilometers.
I'm complete. I got my eyes on you.
Hi guys!
I'm Yessa.
And I'm Joel, and welcome to the JY Project. Very blessed good morning to everyone, and for today we drove all the way to
Qudra to see the lakes around.
So one of them is here at the back. So coming here, there are several lakes that you're going to be able to see.
And the famous one is their Love Lake, which we will show it to you a little bit later in this video.
Alright, so shall we?
We shall.
We are now here in the Love Lake. Let's go!
On the farther side of the Qudra lakes are 2 huge man-made heart-shaped lakes in the middle of the sand.
To get the entire picture, you will have to be at least 50 meters above the ground.
Here you can spend hours in the park just looking at everything around you and listening to the sound of nature.
This is a great park for jogging, pet walking, family picnic, and camping areas too.
And get closer with the flamingos, swans, ducks, and more.
Or sit on a bench and enjoy watching koi fish. But wait! What's this? No drone?
Hun, it's okay not to be okay.